All right, we got U.S. Special Agent spots armed robbery gang.
Put your hands up!
Oh, shit.
What follows is extremely rare body cam involving a U.S. Federal Border Patrol agent, an armed robbery by a suspect wanted by the FBI, and an intense pursuit of suspects involving shots fired on July 27th.
This finna be fire.
2022 at a Lowe's home.
Hold on, how many views this video got? 3 million views in 12 days. 11,000 comments. Oh shit, yeah, we diving right into this.
Improvement store in Las Cruces, New Mexico. CCTV captured 2 masked.
I love CCTV.
Men walking into the store pushing a cart. Right behind them was an off-duty Border Patrol agent who happened to be shopping at the same time. A few
What a kawiki dink.
moments later, the 2 men were seen walking towards the self-checkout with a portable air conditioner when an employee asked for their receipt. The men ignored him and continued pushing the item towards the exit, prompting other store employees to follow the 2 shoplifters as the situation had now escalated.
Don't be Captain Saberho. That is not your equipment.
The men exit the store.
Just report it.
And as store employees try to stop them, one of the men pulls out a gun and points it at the employees before walking away. Unfortunately for the shoplifters, the off-duty agent witnessed what unfolded at the exit and began tailing the men on foot outside the store. The men are captured in the parking lot, walking towards their vehicle, a maroon-colored Chevy Tahoe, followed by the agent, who pulls out his phone to take a picture of it and call 911. The men loaded the car with the item and immediately sped off. 5 minutes later, officers located the vehicle just 1 mile east of the Lowe's.
Boy, y'all ain't going to jail.
Direction of travel was, I believe, southbound on Tribby, headed towards the Coles from Lowe's on Tribby.
We got a hot pursuit and I can't wait. Let's go.
That's authorized. 2K9 units authorized.
Copy, coming to Tribby.
Oh shit. They showing the actual street. Ooh. Oh god. I love a police pursuit.
962 Central 44.
Did he hit a car or he hit them?
Copy, 44.
Who did he hit? We gotta go back to that. Who the fuck did he hit?
Turn south.
Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Suspect. Ah, he hit a pedestrian. Damn.
Turn south on Joshua.
That'll be in the police report.
962
There goes his safety bonus.
Central 44.
Copy, 44.
Hello, who called us?
Let me get my manager, okay? What's your 2962?
Just at Spruce and Telshore.
Copy, Spruce and Trapshore.
Hello. Hey, are you the manager?
Yes, sir. I'm the manager here.
Were you the witness, or do you know what happened?
Yeah, I was a witness. I have a federal agent right here too.
Okay.
These guys got to be pretty fucking stupid to pull off with a stolen item, have somebody take a picture of your license plate, and then you don't switch cars immediately. This was shot from the get-go. It was destined for them to get caught. What are the odds you have a fucking off-duty border patrol officer in your midst while you're stealing?
The vehicle continues.
It's in front of Dick's and Telshore.
Copy, vehicles in front of Dick's on Telford. Still going south.
Okay, we have a pursuit behind the vehicle. What did they pull a gun on you guys?
I already did fire everything. Put the gun up right here.
Okay, did you want to pursue charges? Okay, because I need a definite, because we are chasing a vehicle right now. Okay, so I need to make sure that we're good.
He's on the wrong side of traffic in front of Cane's.
Copy, wrong way traffic in front of Cane's.
Now he's by the parking lot of Red Lobster. Nacho southbound.
Copy, Nacho southbound.
We pulled the gun out. We pulled it back out again out there when I was following them to get the license plate.
You all felt threatened by this? I assume, I know this sounds stupid, but I have to confirm legal reasons that you felt threatened by this, right? You did feel threatened by this?
Oh yes, he pulled it out both times over there and here.
The Lowe's employees did feel threatened by it, and they do want to pursue. say for units on the vault. So those employees did feel threatened by it, and they do want to pursue it.
He's gonna be in the parking lot of Hooters going back.
When people run from the cops, I wonder what they really are thinking and if they really gonna come. They really gonna get away, especially in the fucking truck.
Officer, Nacho.
The parking lot of Hooters headed back to tell Sheriff and Nacho.
Yeah, we're on a pursuit with it right now. So, how you doing, Puddus?
Who had the gun pointed at him?
Well, when he got here, we see your feet were right there. You went like this and pulled the gun out, and then you put it in. You went out there, and then the officer went out too, and pulled the gun out him too.
Okay, so the officer in the black shirt?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, he was an officer too. Damn.
Border Patrol agent.
Okay. I'm going
He just over here about to work while he ain't at work. That's crazy.
for this. Do you have an ID with you, sir? And how many people were there?
Two guys.
Two guys?
And then they got in there, put it here. We even helped them put it in the car. Got them to pay for it.
Yeah.
They go over there, they start walking this way, and they walk this way.
So you thought these masks were to the COVID, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Nacho and Telshore, or correction, Foothills and Telshore.
What all do you know about what happened?
I was here at the front. I was just looking for some drinks. I had made a purchase just, but my kids wanted a drink, so
Okay.
here I am. And then I'm a U.S. Border Patrol agent out of Deming. I came back in. These guys kind of bumped into me, like right there at the registers while I was looking for drinks.
Okay.
And they were both masked up all the way to their face with hats. Thought it was kind of weird, and I kind of figured as soon as I looked at them back and I turned around, I figured these guys are gonna run. But then these guys confronted them at the front, like 3 or 4 of them, and he pulled out a gun. And then he looked at me and he pulled out the gun. I followed him to get the vehicle description.
Okay.
And then I noticed that they came in.
I'm sorry, I really love that shirt, straight out of Cookies. I know Walmart be making some pretty cool shirts, but that is my favorite one so far.
Back through the back, I was the one that got the vehicle description with the hood, the black hood, the Tahoe.
Okay.
And then I noticed that their license plate was covered with a plastic bag. And then they took off this way.
And what were you saying about Border Patrol?
I'm a Border Patrol
Okay.
agent.
Okay, you're the. All right.
Hit the vehicle as soon as it turns its next turn.
Well, they had nothing but cops in that motherfucker. Ooh, shit. He got him. Hold on. Look down for a second. All I did was look down for a second. Is he about to ram him? He about to ram him. Oh, yeah. We got action. Oh! He got him to spin out.
Put your hands up!
Oh!
Put your hands up! Put
It's
your hands up!
you stuck, bro. He did that shit on
Put your
purpose.
hands up!
Oh no, he not stuck. Ooh. This looks like some GTA shit. Not gonna even lie to you. Oh my god.
Shots fired, shots fired.
How the f do you get away from that? Oh! Oh yeah, whoever's in that driver's seat got hit the fuck up. Oh yeah, y'all done. Y'all done. Oh shit.
Hands up!
Oh! Oh! Oh, they just replaying it back. Oh shit. Oh, he done. He done.
Get out of the window! Step out of the car! Get out of the window now! Get out of the window! Keep your hands up! Get out! Right now! Get online, Brown, get online.
Shots fired, shots fired. Show me your hands! Hold on, hold on! Guys, hold on!
Who else is in the car with you?
Boy, they tore their ass up, boy. I seen it.
He's stuck with the seatbelt. Hey, secure him. He has the seatbelt stuck.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Put your hands behind your back! 863 Central. We have shots fired. Driver
Who is that just sitting there casually like they ain't fired a million shots in that motherfucker?
down. Stay down! Show me your hands!
Stay on the floor.
We're trying to get the passenger out of the vehicle. He's stuck. Everybody slow down. Get a unit up here to cover inside the Wing Daddy's parking lot. Lay down!
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Ooh. Boy, I would have been having doodle and piss all down my pants.
Hey, let's go. I got cover. I have cover. I have contact.
That goddamn wrecking into that pole. I know if them up.
I'm on you. Vehicle's clear.
Who is that right there in the passenger side though? That ain't nobody right there on the right side? Or am I tripping?
Hey, my arm's broken. My left arm is broken. It's broken. Ow, it's broken.
That's crazy. So it was only 2 people, wasn't 3? Oh, that was just a cover. I thought that was somebody's arm.
Stop talking. Stop talking.
What the fuck?
Just breathe for me. What's your name? Josh, just breathe for me, okay? We don't need a chest here. We need gauze. Hey, I got my med. I got some. I got gauze. He's cutting it open. I got gauze. I got gauze right here.
Oh, he about to pass out.
I got it right here, buddy. All right, this is gonna hurt, okay? All right, hold on. Move this gauze for me real quick. Move that gauze. Here. Move it. Let fire take over. Hey. Let fire take over.
Is you? Nothing on this side. Clear on this side.
See what happened when you do the stupid shit? You win stupid prizes.
You ready to pick him up? We're gonna throw him on gurney. Gunshot behind the chest. You got lacerations in your back. Yeah, lacerations in your back.
Ooh. He gonna be in pain for a long time.
1080's on the floorboard driver, so.
0215. What's up with that?
God dang. Then when you get to this point in your life, you be like, was it really worth it? My arm broke. I'm finna be in jail. If I drop this soap, it's over. I gotta listen to somebody tell me what to do, when to do it, how to do it. Waking up at 3:30 in the morning every day. Fuck no. Oh, hell no.
David's info?
Yeah. He's the one that's hit, right?
David's hit?
David Aguilar.
They gotta take him to
Oh,
they're taking him to a hospital in London.
Okay.
I don't know. I thought it was Josh Lopez that got hit.
Josh Lopez?
Yeah. Let me double check, but I'm pretty sure it's Josh. Hey, that's Josh Lopez, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's Josh Lopez.
Lopez was quickly rushed to the hospital for his injuries. 20 minutes later, officers on standby at the scene are approached by a woman.
How can we help you?
What kind of vehicle is involved?
Are you looking for a vehicle or?
Well, because my son's on the run, and I'm not sure if it's him.
Okay. What kind of vehicle are you looking for?
Tahoe, maroon Tahoe.
Okay. What's your son's name?
Joshua Lopez.
Where are you parked at?
Way over there.
Okay. Let's head down to my car and I'll talk to you, okay?
Wait on the other side of those cop cars over there, okay?
I'll come.
Officer will keep you updated.
I'll come talk to you and we'll keep you updated, okay?
Is it that red SUV?
Yes. Let's go this way.
Is he okay?
He's at the hospital. Let's go this way. Come on. What do you mean he's on? What do you mean he's on the run?
No.
He's alive. Oh my God, he's alive. Hey, we have to keep going. Come on. You need to stay here. We need to go this way. You're not gonna let you in right now.
Damn, bro. See what happened? And then I don't think people be understanding the shit that it pushed their parents through, especially their mama, bro. Like, damn.
Let's go this way so I can talk to you and see what's going on.
Did he get shot?
I can't tell you any details about what happened.
God.
It's an active investigation.
See, and like when we doing stuff, we don't realize who is gonna hurt until it hurts them. And man,
can't tell you any
that's fucked up.
Oh my God.
Come on. What do you mean he's on the run? Like he's.
Yeah, they were looking for him.
Let's keep going. Keep walking while we talk. We can't be in the scene like this.
Oh my God.
Like, was you're a missing person, or?
No, no, I'm not missing a person. My son has been on the run. I have been trying to help you guys
On the
for him
run,
to
like,
turn himself in.
okay. So he had a warrant?
Yeah, he has warrants.
What were they for, do you know?
To what they told me for shoplifting.
Okay.
Please just tell us what hospital you took him to.
My brother got shot. We'll get a supervisor to talk to you guys. We can't release anything right now, okay?
Where did you guys come from right now? Or where are you parked at?
We're just sitting there.
You're up there? Okay.
We just need to know something.
What's your relationship with all this?
It's his brother-in-law.
Okay.
His mom is up there just falling apart.
We understand. I already spoke with her. I made her aware of everything too.
I know, but she needs to know where he's at.
Okay. Well, either way, if we do tell you, you can't go over there. He's under arrest, so no one's gonna be able to see him.
It's okay. She just needs to know if he's alive or not.
Well, he's at the hospital, so.
Yeah, but that doesn't tell us if he's alive.
I can't tell you details right now because it's literally just happened. It's just an investigation. It's not because I'm trying to be rude. It's just what I have to do. Are you parked next to her? I know where she's parked.
Yeah, we're still there.
Okay. I'll get somebody up there as soon as I can. They're taking care of this, and then I'll make sure they know you're there, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Soon after police talk to the suspect's family, investigators arrive on the scene and begin questioning the detained passenger.
Some stuff went down. I'm sure it was pretty crazy for you, and we want to talk to you about it, okay? You're in handcuffs in the police car right now, so I'm not charging you with a crime. I'm trying to figure out what happened here. Can you just tell me what happened starting at the Lowe's?
I don't even know what happened. I just know we crashed, and I was in.
That was it? You guys came from the Lowe's. You were pushing on an air conditioner, right?
I don't know what we were doing.
You don't remember? You know they got cameras at Lowe's, right? Like, again, it's just a shoplifting. I don't care about a shoplifting. Like, we had gunshots being fired here. But
I don't give a about the gunshots.
Okay.
Hey, dude, but we're trying to, like I said, we're trying to figure out what happened.
He not finna talk.
Like, your mind's not thinking. You don't think about shooting.
I know, man.
You're trying to get away. Then when they start shooting at us, we're not going to sit there and get shot at. We're going to try to get the out of the way.
I guess
straight up. And all these motherfuckers started shooting at us.
Okay.
But just to confirm, you're Miles Luciano, yes?
Yeah. Miles Luciano was taken into custody and booked into jail, where he was held without bond. Despite the rain of gunfire, Luciano sustained no injury.
Boy, that ain't nothing but God. Cause all them bullets they was shooting, that motherfucker. Boy, you got somebody praying over you. Got a praying mama, praying granny, dad, uncle, brother, cousin, something, girlfriend. Cause it ain't no way you survive a firestorm of bullets from professional cops and you don't get hit not one time. Woo.
He was charged with 1 count of interference with commerce by threats or violence in a case prosecuted by the U.S. federal government's Department of Justice.
Damn,
in May
by the feds?
2023, he pleaded guilty and was sentenced to 3 years and 10 months in prison, followed by 3 years of supervised release.
Damn, 6 years?
Joshua Lopez, on the other hand, made a full recovery from his injuries at the hospital before successfully escaping on August 3rd, 2022.
Oh yeah, he going.
In response, the FBI issued a federal warrant for his arrest, in which a 1-month manhunt ensued before he was apprehended in September 2022.
They ain't never finna let his ass out.
He was charged with 3 counts of interference with commerce by threats or violence, as he was also a perpetrator of shoplifting cases in Best Buy and AutoZone in New Mexico that same year. In December 2024, he pleaded guilty on all 3 counts and was sentenced to 7 years and 2 months in prison.
For crimes like that, you get 7 years for some shit like that?
By 3 years of supervised release.
Oh, wow.
House and check.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.